In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a signature on Microsoft Excel. Adding a signature to an Excel worksheet is a simple way to make your document look more official and professional. It is especially useful when working with reports, approval forms, invoices, or any spreadsheet that needs confirmation or authorization from a specific person. Excel provides a straightforward method that allows you to place a signature directly inside your worksheet. To begin, open the Excel file where you want the signature to appear. Once the worksheet is open, go to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the Excel window. Inside the Insert tab, look for the text group. In this section, you will see an option labeled Signature Line. Click on Signature Line and then select Microsoft Office Signature Line from the menu that appears. After selecting this option, a window called Signature Setup will appear. This window allows you to define the details related to the signature. In the first field, type the name of the person who is expected to sign the document. In the next field, you can add the title of the signer, such as manager, director, or team leader. There is also a space where you can enter the signer's email address if you want the document to clearly identify who is responsible for the approval. Below these fields, you will find a section where you can include instructions for the signer. This is useful if you want to explain what the signature represents, such as confirming that the document has been reviewed or approved. Once all the necessary information has been entered, click OK to confirm the setup. Excel will now insert a signature line into your worksheet. You can click and drag this signature line to move it to any location on the sheet. Many people prefer to place it near the bottom of the document or close to the final section of a report where authorization is required. When the person is ready to sign the document, they simply double-click the signature line. A signature window will appear, allowing them to type their name as a digital signature or insert an image of their handwritten signature if one is available. After confirming the signature, it becomes associated with the worksheet and indicates that the document has been signed. Using signatures in Excel helps improve document credibility and ensures that important spreadsheets can be reviewed and approved in a clear and professional manner. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.